again, bro. You crazy, dude.
No, I'm not crazy. I am. You know.
No, I'm not crazy. Is this your real voice?
Yeah, this is my real voice. I can sing like Celine Dion.
I sing.
You are my sunshine, my very sunlight. You make me happy when sun flow down. You see? So you see.
Huh? Is that all you can sing?
Yeah, I can sing Spanish song.
Sing Spanish song. Yalla ibn Zanwa.
Okay. Como la flor, tan favor, merece tú, se merece tú, me merece hoy. I can sing Indian song.
You can do it. Go ahead, buddy.
Okay. Pulikutia, Pulikantina, Hame Hokai, Sir Santina, Tere Bentin, Lessa. Wow, thank you for your clapping. I can sing any kind country song.
Yeah, you should do singing on TikTok.
Yeah.
All right, brother. It was nice meeting you, brother.
Nah, not brother, I'm sister.
No, you are my brother.
No, I'm your sister.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Positive?
Negative.
What? Negative?
Hey, love you, brother.
No, you are my brother.
No, I'm your sister.
Why, sister? Why?
I'm girl.
No, you're not, nigga.
What?
No, you're not.
No, I'm girl. You
look
call
like
me
a nigga.
sister. You call me sister.
No, I call you brother.
Why? I'm not boy. I am female. I'm not female.
You look like a male.
Because my hair is not growing up. I'm a girl.
No, your face is boy.
Because I am trans. I look like a tomboy.
Oh, you're transgender.
My center is like diamond.
Also, did you do surgery?
No, I'm not surgery. I am grocery.
You're what?
Grocery.
Oh yeah, you're bugging.